Hello everyone. In this lecture today I going to see about what is the scan time of PLC. In my earlier lecture I already talking about what is a wiring, how to do wiring in PLC and what is a syncing or sourcing wiring. So if you not if you are not seen that video, so please visit on my YouTube channel or playlist Industrial Automation Basics and see step by step videos. Follow step by step video. So in this lecture today I going to see about what is scan time. So we can see here scan time is a cycle consists of the execute program by CPU update the output. Means when we create the logic so logic start to end, that is a time is calculated by the PLC. It is a scan time. So see here also read scan input, execute logic, then write update the output. That means if example we have a one NO button, one NO switch and one output. When you press when we press NO push button, so contact will be changed NO to NC and output will be execute. So in both work, press the push button and start the LED. In both work that calculate time by the PLC, it is a scan time. So scan time is nothing but is a very important task. So next is a PLC brand we are used. So it is a important which PLC brand you used. So in current scenario we can in current scenario in industry most popular brand is a Rockwell or Siemens. Rockwell or Siemens is the most popular brand. So in my coming lecture I starting the one by one steps on programming steps on Rockwell platform, after that Siemens platform. So follow my videos basics to advanced. In my coming videos I starting Rockwell platform Studio 5000, compact logic, that is a compact logic and control logic, controller programming software, complete tutorial basic to advanced level. So what is the annoyance concept with hardware? In hardware, software and result. If we used in hardware NO and we used software NO, so result is a always NO, normally open. When you use software NC and hardware NO, so result is a NC. When we use hardware NO and software NC, then result will be NC. And when we used hardware NO and when we use hardware NC and software NC, then also result will be NO. So it is a without working condition, means in this condition we cannot use the logic, only make the logic. To see the table, this is a table based on the NONC concept. There is a four concept. First concept is if you take NO in hardware and in software NO, then your result NO. If you take NC hardware and in software NO, then your result is a NC. If you take soft NO in hardware and in software NC, then your result will be NC. If you take hardware NC and software NC, then also result will be NC.